Hey guys, it's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero, Ofentse Ledwaba. I'm back again. Welcome back to my channel again, guys. If you are a new subscriber, please do not forget to click the subscribe button, click the like, and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop something massive. So today, guys, I'll be showing you just about a trade that we're gonna take, a live trade. So you can also take the trade with us. It's gonna be the EURCHF. So let's not waste much time, guys. You know I'm excited when I go into the charts. Let's go into the charts. Yes, guys, welcome to the chart. It looks clean. As you know, guys, I like to keep my charts clean. I don't like charts that are clustered and dirty. It's okay, it's removed. Okay, everything's removed. So, guys, I'm currently on weekly time frame. I just want to show you guys something. Do you see this point? This point here was our lowest point. Let me highlight this here as well. Was our lowest point, and then what did the market do? The market came here and shot up and then came past that level to trap people who were selling, and then the market reversed. So you can see this is a double bottom. As I've mentioned, guys, not always a setup will be in some sort of a book analysis. As we know that sometimes the market, look, this was inducing people to keep on selling, then it reversed. So we can see that this area is a strong area. Okay, so we are having a similar thing here. Okay, I'll do this. We had our point here, and then what do we see? A drop, push, and then now we are here. So I'm expecting the market to push to the upside, because I can see we have this area here. It's a very strong demand zone. So we can see our demand zone. Okay, so now let's go to daily time frame. So I'll take this as my lowest point, because I can see that the market is already reversed here. Now it's shot up. So my highest point will be this one. But remember, we cannot go all the way up without retracement. So retracements are some sort of corrections. This is what I can expect. Okay, fine. Now let's dive deeper, and let me show you something very much exciting. I'm gonna use my fib level. Do you see we passed our level here? You see we passed our level here. So we had a very great downtrend. So now let me break it down in a simpler way. Remember, we were selling. Do you see we had a big supply zone here, whereas this supply zone here, it was a resistant area, and then the market dropped and they pushed when they broke it. So now they broke down, they retest, then they short, they came back to retest to give it a strong momentum. You understand? So we have our correction showing us that yes, indeed, I was preparing myself to shoot to the downside. And also notice that after the break, we had a retest here. Okay, this was a retest level. Okay, fine. Now we're looking at forecasting. Now we want to see what we are gonna do now. We can see that we are in a downtrend because you can see the market is still pushing to the downside. You see, we have a move going to the downside as well, and we can clone this. You can press Control and drag with your left mouse button, so you can see we have something like this. Just move this here. Okay, a very good setup here. Okay, fine. So we want to see how strong is this level. How strong is this level? Okay. A nice point. So now I'm gonna jump to daily. Potentially, I see rejection candles. As you can see, I'm seeing rejection candles here, showing me that the market is losing momentum to the downside. Look what is happening here. So at this point, I'll take this one as well as my zone. You can see, take this one as well as my zone. So at this point, I already see that I have to push to the upside. Because why? I'm having this move as an impulse, and this is a correction. So I'm expecting a push to the upside. It will be much clearer on 4 hour and so forth, going down to other time frames. Perfect. So now let's use the Fib just to see where we are. You can see we are at a very strong Fib zone. We are between 38.2 and 23.6. As I've mentioned to you guys, these are the strongest. They indicate a strong trend. So when we push to the upside, it's going to be a very strong momentum, because we can see that we came back between 38.2 and 23.6. Let me show you the same thing that happened here. You can use this one. Yeah, you can use this one. This one makes more sense. Yeah, we can see we had an impulse, and then this was our correction, and then we dropped. Look where 38.2 is, and then look what happened after. We had a strong bearish momentum. So we are having a similar pattern, but in an opposite direction. Okay, I hope you guys are gonna take this trade with me. What I can do now is to show you guys the correction. See, have this correction, and then if you are using a mouse pad for your laptop, what you can do, you can click here, right click, and then clone. It will give you the identical. So look what I'm looking at now. Okay, so I'm looking at buying, and then taking partial profits here. and subsequently pushing to the upside. You see? Okay, now let's go to 1 hour to get our perfect entry. Okay, fine. I'll reduce this one. Show you guys something. Okay. We had something that looks like a head and shoulders here. You can see this one, and then there's going to be this one. You can take it here, boom, then pushed to the upside. You can see here they broke the neckline here. Okay, so let's see what is currently happening here. Keep your charts clean, guys. You will have much more clarity. Okay. At this point, I don't have a reason to sell because I'm at the low. Remember, we buy low, we sell high. Okay. So let me So guys, you can actually buy EURCHF now. We are looking at breaking this move because I can see what the market did. The market pushed up and then it came at the zone to retest. I can take this, something like this, which will be my current trend currently. This. We are currently trading a bullish momentum to the upside. I see it doing this way. See it doing this way. Yes. Yes. What you can do, you can just. So we have a rejection here. You can see this type of rejection. So get your MT4 and buy and put your stop loss below this low here. You don't expect the market to come back and break this low. If it breaks this low, then our trade was wrong. Okay, go to 15 minutes. You see, we already see movements. You already see movements. Then this one. Okay, another pattern within a pattern. You can see we have another pattern within a pattern. So what I actually see now is, okay, let me move this here. I want to show you guys what I actually see happening here. Something like this we have, you see, and it also goes all the way throughout. You can see what happened here when the market bounced, it pushed heavily. So I'm expecting the same to happen here because now we are above the zone and currently it's above 61.8. 61.8 on 15 minutes, which is a normal trend, so expecting to reverse here. But you saw on a higher time frame we are looking at a fib level of between 38.2 and 23.6. So we are buying here. There's no reason for us to sell. Our analysis is simply telling us that we must buy. The reason why I'm saying put your stop loss below this low, it's because this low has proved itself, then it broke this resistance level, and now we are looking at this low to hold, because what can happen is something like this. You see it pushed up and then further retracement and then boom, understand? So we are not gonna put our stop loss here. That will be risky, even though it will be a good entry, but you see the stop loss will be like 10 pips, but I'll advise you to put it here, which is like 40 pips, or you can even stretch it 50 pips. Apply risk management, guys. If you apply risk management, you won't blow your account. Remember, the market doesn't see these trend lines that we are drawing. So make sure, guys, you stick to the plan. Make sure, guys, you stick to the plan and you don't overtrade. Okay, and your first TP will be here. You see, your first TP will be around about this TP, and then I would use this one as my second TP, the TP. Okay. Always remember to put your TPs just be a little bit below the high or a little bit above the low, because the market doesn't see your lines. They set a price and they know that people are waiting for their orders to be triggered, so it will be good. Okay, TP1, and then TP2, TP3. That's just about how I'm gonna trade the EURCHF, guys. We break this one, we break this one, wait for a retest, because this move can happen, understand? So wait for a retest before you can increase or scale in, increase your orders. So my ultimate TP will be pushing further up, so you can see where it is as well. It will be some sort of a reversal. So you can see this was the trend line from daily and weekly. So this is what I'm looking at. We have a correction here, a bigger correction, but we can see that the market is pushing to the upside, creating higher highs. You can see we created a high above this one here. We created the high above this one. So I'm expecting now to create a high above this one. So how would you know? You can see it will now push to the upside. Let's go to lower time frame. Remember, we don't trade on lower time frames lower than 15 minutes. I just want to show you that it's already moving, but you are not late to enter. You can place your buys now, and we hold. So that's it from me, your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. Wish you guys a much more blue week, profitable week. Let's stay winning, guys. I believe in you, and thank you guys for always supporting my channel, subscribing. I see we've grown. So please do not forget to share with your friends and families. And also, you like to use the broker that I'm using, the link is below. And also, guys, trade your plan your trades. It's me, Ofentse Ledwaba, your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero, the almighty sniper entry. Thank you. See you in my next massive video. Peace.